my gosh. I just got home. Hala, wala akong... Damn! Ang haggard ko, sis. Wait. So hot. So hot. Hey guys, subscribers! Welcome back to another vlog. So today is June 19, Saturday, 4:07 p.m. and I just got home. As you can see, I'm super haggard right now. But I'm super excited to, you know, unbox and try this out in front of you guys. So this is the McDonald's BTS meal. Super excited lang ako sa video na to kasi we are gonna be eating. I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. Alam nyo ba, nililinyahan talaga to ng mga tao doon sa pinagbilhan ko. Hindi ako napadeliver. Ako talaga yung mismong pumunta doon. Nag-close na yung McDo sa Foodpanda since, I don't know, maybe ang super dami ng taong umorder. So, nag-close na lang sila. Ayun, pumunta na lang ako doon. Sa Foodpanda, it's 270 pesos. Pero if ikaw talaga yung pupunta doon sa mismong store, it's only 260 pesos. So, this is what you will get with your 260 pesos. A chicken mock nuggets, 10 pieces. 2 of their new sauces. It's Cajun and sweet chili sauce. Charan! Ang cute ng packaging nila. It's purple. And for the drinks, it's also purple yung packaging. Super cute. I'm so happy. Hala, walang straw. Hindi nila ako binigyan ng straw. Siguro super busy na nila. Fries. I think this is their regular fries. This is gonna be so much better if it was in purple then hindi siya red. Tapos merong cute na mga like backdrop doon na parang I will insert the video clip right here. So pwede kang mag-picture dito. Kasi meron siyang parang backdrop and stuff. Honestly, I'm not a really big fan of BTS because hindi ako masyadong exposed sa kanila. Alam ko lang sila dahil parati silang dumadaan sa newsfeed ko and my friends are a fan of BTS din. And also, yung sinastan ko talaga na K-pop is Blackpink. Like, super fan talaga ako nila. So, ang dami ko nakitang video sa TikTok, Facebook, YouTube na yung BTS meal, parati daw siyang like sold out. And I've noticed too, na sa McDo, yung mga paper bag na merong BTS meal, hindi nila siya pino-fold, not unlike the regular one. Kasi meron din akong binili aside from the BTS meal. And pino-fold lang nila yung mga regular na paper bags compared to this one. Ayaw talaga na pino-fold siya kasi pwede siyang pang collection or something like that. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with the mukbang. Sheesh! Wow! It's actually just a regular Coke na merong magandang packaging, so that makes it so much better. Oh my gosh! Ito yung favorite ko nung high school. Like, parati ko tong kinakain, yung chicken nuggets sa school. And then, I realized na it's unhealthy na, so I stopped. But, today is an exemption. And then, yung drink nila, hindi ka makakapili. Coke lang talaga yung available. Pero okay lang naman, kasi masarap naman yung Coke. Struggle ha. Sayang! Okay. Sharon! Oh. Wow! Ang sarap ng sauce na to. This is, what is this? Sweet chili sauce. It really has a kick of chili on it. Kasi merong iba na sweet chili siya, pero hindi naman super anghang. But this one, ang sarap. Sarap, sis. Meron kasi natapong sauce. Oh my God. Grabe. Okay, so next one is the Cajun sauce. Ooh. Sana hindi siya masira talaga. Ooh. Okay. Mm. 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 Tastes like mustard sauce. Na merong mayonnaise. Parang siyang sa dressing salad. I don't know. I like the sweet chili sauce better than the Cajun sauce. Pero overall, masarap naman silang dalawa. So, I'm not complaining though. Hindi talaga ako kumain ng lunch just for this. Ang sarap! Ang sarap ng sweet chili sauce. So good. Let's try to combine the two together. Siguro what makes it special is the sauce since it's new, and also their packaging, and of course because it's BTS. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shucks. Ang sarap. Ang sarap pala. Ang sarap niya, guys. You should try it though. Chef's kiss. Yung weakness ko when it comes to food is yung sauce talaga. Like, ang ingay ng mga aso. Ang sarap ng mga sauce. Even my friends know that I'm a sauce addict. Like, even yung mga toyos, mga chili sauce, stuff like that. Gusto ko talaga yan. It's my number 1 favorite. Okay guys, so busog na ako. Ito na yung lunch and dinner ko. Do you guys want one? I will definitely keep this. Yung mga purple stuff. I don't know if you guys have remembered this, but way back in high school also, merong corneto si Taylor Swift. I think it was a collab also. And I remember I was in grade 8 or 2nd year high school. Tapos, hinahanap talaga namin yung ice cream, yung corneto na yon kasi parati siyang
sold out din sa mga stores. So, paunahan na lang kung saan kami makakakita. And then, kinikip namin siya. Ginawa namin siyang collection. And every time, excuse me, and every time na binubuksan namin siya, like, we have to be really careful para hindi mapunit yung parang packaging sa cornetto ni Taylor Swift.
So, I guess I have to end this video kasi malulobot na yung camera ko. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mukbang or my mini mukbang. Okay, so overall, so far, so good. Nagustuhan ko yung BTS meal ni MCDO. Very nice marketing strategy. So, kudos to MCDO and BTS for doing this collaboration. And since I got satisfied with my meal today, I'm gonna be giving out BTS meal for 3 people para BTS. O, diba? Ngayon ko lang naisip yun, actually. But yeah, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video. Second, follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is at SkyZia, especially on Instagram and TikTok. Kasi magpo-post ako ng video sa TikTok about the BTS meal. So you can comment there too for plus points. Comment down below if naka-try na kayo ng BTS meal. And if you did, let me know what your favorite sauce is. So, is it the Cajun sauce or the sweet chili sauce? Habol pala sa mechanics, guys. Also, comment down below kung sino yung bias nyo sa BTS. And yeah, that's basically it. Good luck, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!